What's up, guys? Welcome to part number 2 of the Sierra build. So got all the parts off the paint, and so now we're gonna work on getting it lowered. So I was looking around for a bunch of different lowering kits, and since it's a budget build, just so happens I got the availability to swap out with another guy stock suspension for lowered suspension. So all it's gonna cost me is my labor. So that's the kind of stuff that you guys want to look out for when you're doing a budget build, is stuff you can barter on, trade, whatever you can do to try to save some money. So here's what we got. Got the truck in the lift. Said I got everything out the paint already, so hopefully we'll get that back in like a week. Maybe sooner, but it's all gone. So right now on the back, you see she sits a lot higher in the back than the front. So I got a tape measure here. So we got roughly, 6 inches between the tire and the fender in the front, the back. Let's see what we got in the front. Front, we got about 4 inches. So what we're gonna try to accomplish is this. So this one's got the same size tire on it. This one only got about 2.5 inches to the fender. And the back, about the same, 2.5 inches in the back. So it's probably like a 2.3, 2.4 drop on this truck right here. So we're gonna get this one up in the air. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to film of it, but we're gonna take the suspension off this one, put on this one. This one does have a Belltech. Everything's the same. They're both 6 cylinders. This one's just the extended cab. This one's super bass, just has roll-up windows and stuff. As mine's power windows, power locks. So, and again, started working on the pinstriping too. I didn't get to film this side, but you see I got the pinstriping off this side. And then we're gonna work on getting the pinstriping off this side over here. Let me show you guys what I use to do that. So removing pinstriping, just wanna get as a rubber wheel. This one's pneumatic, so it's on the air tool. You can get them attachments. 3M sells one and just attached to the drill. Makes it super easy, pretty sweet. So basically, you just want to apply a ton of pressure. Also, you don't want super high speed. So just like that, and go down the whole side of the truck. So it's pretty easy to work with. So just like that, and we're just gonna go down the side of the truck, get rid of the pinstriping. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that first tonight since I already got the wheel out. And then we'll go from there. But if you guys are looking to remove pinstriping, especially old pinstriping like this, that looks, pretty horrible. You can see where it's like coming off. Just taking the pinstriping off is gonna make the side of the truck look a lot better. So just something simple that you can do to enhance the side of your truck. So we'll get on that and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. All right, guys, and that's it, man. Got the pinstriping off all the way down the side. Looks way better. Just doesn't look all grungy. Can't wait to get this paint buffed out, man. It's gonna look so good. For 15-year-old paint. Must have been garage kept, especially down here in Florida. See, it's got a shine to it, and I haven't even buffed it out or anything, so I haven't even washed it yet. So, alright, guys, so we're gonna get back on it and get this thing up in the air and get started on what else we need to do. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna end this video here. Here's what I got swapped over so far, just the front ends. So see the front of this one's looking pretty low compared to the back, and that one's sitting higher in the front. So I'm gonna end right tonight, and then I'll pick it up. Continuation of this video another night. I can lower the backs and trade out the back. So, all right, guys, that's where I'm at, and see you guys on this video, but on the next part where we do the back of the truck. What is up, guys? We're back on the trucks, working on them. We're gonna swap out the rear. So the rear's got, these are the factory brackets back here. What sucks is GM put rivets in, so you gotta grind these out all the way around and then replace them with bolts. When you look at this truck, see how it's got the drop bracket, so 2 holes right here where the bolts, where the rivets used to be, so it moves it up quite a bit compared to the other side. So it's pretty substantial versus sitting right here. It moves it up probably 3-4 inches. So we're gonna get cranking, try to get as much done as I can, so won't be filming too much, but we'll get it back on the ground and then see where we're at as far as height goes. So we're gonna get to it and then all right, guys, what is up? So got the old factory brackets out, got the new Belltech brackets in there. Things are a pain in the butt. The easiest way with these, if you're trying to take them out, if you're watching this video, just grind a line straight down through them and then take an air hammer and chisel them out, and they pop right out. You know, just trying to get to them is kind of a pain. And on this side with the gas tank, the bracket, factory brackets all the way down here, and the bolts in backwards, so you have a hard time getting the head out because it hits the gas tank. So you're gonna have to loosen up your U-bolts on your leaf spring and pivot the leaf spring sideways so you can slide it out. And then when you put this bracket in, you're gonna want to put this bolt in first because there's no way to get it in between the frame. And a lot of you guys that if you're new to auto mechanics, the reason they make the bolts like this on the end is because you can put a wrench here and then tighten up this nut, so you don't have to get a wrench up in here to hold that head, you know, makes it a lot easier. So just a little tip. Same thing with the rear hanger. So we're gonna get the wheels on it and then set her down and see how low she sits. I know it's gonna sit lower in the back. These are the shackle kit that he had on there, but I might go to a shorter shackle just so it doesn't sit so low in the back, because I think it's going to be super low in the back compared to the front. But we'll get it down and we'll measure it. I'm going to just clean these up, throw the wheels on, and we'll see what it looks like. Alright, guys, we're about to set her down and see what she looks like. Alright, there you go. She's way nicer. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean up real quick. I'll pull it out in the middle of the shop, and then we'll measure our fender gap and see what she looks like. So just give me 1 minute and we'll see how she looks. So let's check it out. So like I was saying, when it was up on the lift, I knew the rear was gonna sit lower than the front. That's how that guy's truck sat too. So I'll probably end up getting a different shackle kit and just bump the back a little bit. So now we got, this way, only got about 2 inches in the back to the rear tire. So a little over 2 1/4. In the front we got about 3 inches, so about 3/4 of an inch lower in the back. So I'll see, I'll probably get a 1 inch different shackle, and that way I'll raise the back up and the back will sit just a little bit taller. Got 29 inches to the fender. Oops, sorry. 32.5 to the fender in the front. And 32 in the back, so it's only about a 1/2 inch fender wise. So like I said, I'll just get a little bit shorter shackle bump that back end up just a little bit. You know, I was thinking, well, I don't have the bumpers on, but I don't have the rear bumper on either, so really isn't gonna matter. So that's it, guys. She's lowered now. Step 2 done finally. So in the total swap, with tearing both trucks down, swapping everything over, putting it back all on myself. I got about 10 hours into it, so a lot of grinding this week. Worked all day, go home, see the family, come back here at 9, 10 o'clock at night, and then bust it out. So, but it's getting there. I had to do it late at night just so I can get it done. But it looks pretty sweet. So she's getting there. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Sorry about that. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, guys, and keep up on the Sierra project. It's gonna be pretty sweet. I got a bunch of other stuff lined up for it already, and you guys will like it, I promise. So just smash that subscribe button, share with your buddies. Let's get up to 3,000 subscribers. Budget builds. So right now, like I said, lowering kit, just labor. So not bad for a Belltech kit. Pretty stoked. It all worked out, so that's it. See you guys on the next one.